is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that rolls on the street. C is for cat who likes to play. D is for dog who barks all day. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish who swims along. G is for grapes, purple and round. H is for hat that can be found. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump with happy feet. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey climbing a tree. N is for nest with eggs to see. O is for octopus swimming free. P is for panda, cute as can be. Q is for queen with the golden crown. R is for rabbit hopping around. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for turtle slow in the night. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin with music to play. W is for whale in the deep blue sea. X is for xylophone, play with me. Y is for yellow, bright like the sun. Z is for zebra, stripes of fun. Now we know our A to Z. Come and sing the song with me. From A to Z we can see. Alphabet is fun for you and me. Clap your hands, sing along. Letters make a happy song.